Hi there, Chippy here, and welcome back to my K Factory Let's Play. Last episode, we left off getting this thing, the coke oven, and mainly the blast furnace. For getting steel, you can see that I did smell a bit off camera, and honestly that really cost a ridiculous amount of my resources so far. Of course, I can mine more of them, like just by mining, of course, but that it did really cost me quite a lot, mainly because in order for us to get steel, you can see it requires 3 iron to get 1 steel ingot. Of course, we can make it more efficient if we go through the arc furnace one. Here is 1 iron per with a coke dust. This is much more cheaper, and at least it will become a 1-to-1 ratio. But we need to build this multi-block structure first and prepare the ingredients for that before we can do this. And so I'm going to go towards, I'm going to go towards the arc machine as my main goal in immersive to quickly get the steel up and running. Honestly, I don't know what do we need for later. Oh, of course, it's the singularity, yeah. So yeah, I would like to get the arc furnace as soon as possible. Well, yeah, as soon as possible. If possible, I would like to get it sooner. And I did a little bit of quest off camera as well. Just a little bit. Not much. Basically, it's just getting the blast brick and the steel ingots. How many? Ooh, we got 11. Wonderful. That is quite a lot. And let me put you back here. And the blocks. I don't even know what do we do with you. Is it just building blocks? Seems like so. Useless then. And yeah, you can see there's quite a lot of seared fluid tanks. Mainly because that I really can't find a better way to store fluids. I know there's like better tanks and stuff. You can see tanks. There's the fluid tank from Creative, which we can craft that later. Actually, it's not very hard. And of course, we can craft the fluid tanks from Pneumatic Craft as well. But that requires compressed iron, and actually you can make quite easy just by exploding it. You can see, you will lose some of it. It will be much efficient for this, but we'll deal with that later. I want to at least get the basics of immersive engineering stuff, and maybe the basics of this, well, at least making the basics of stuff. I think I can make most of the stuff right. Actually, now I'm not sure. Can we even make that? Pressurized chamber wall requires reinforced bricks. And reinforced bricks, where in the world do you get them from? Reinforced stone. And that stone, yeah, we can, I think we can actually make that. But back to the topic, we need to make this first. One of the main things that we want to get is the water wheel, because with the water wheel we can produce power, and with power we can like get our machines up and running, because so far this doesn't use up any of the like electrical power. It's just using gears and stuff, and yeah, it's not very useful, honestly. So let's see, what's the first thing we need? We will need, do we need you first? No, we need both of these things. So oh yeah, I need the engineering wire cutters. Engineers wire cutters. I also got this from quest reward some time ago. When? I've forgotten already. Let's get some sticks. And then we got our wire cutter. Let me get this one again. Let's see. Oh, so that's where we got the book from. Okay, good to know. Very good to know. I'll keep this on me for now. And then the next one is the kinetic dynamo. It says that it can produce forge energy. It means FE or flux. Basically energy to water wheel or windmill. By the way, the windmill I'm saying is not this kind of windmill. It's the windmill from Immersive. So don't get them mixed up, by the way. Let's see. Copper wires, copper sheets, easy. I just need some copper. I'll just get half of them for now. I think we need them more eventually. And put it here. Just compress by itself. Oh yeah, you can also see I did get an encased fan here with water here. Mainly because that I did process my resources, as you can see. I processed them. And then if I dump it right here, for example, like here, and then it will slowly but surely start to process it. If I let you see here, with the crushed iron ore, if you process it with the water washing method, you'll basically get 1 and a little bit more iron nuggets back, because it's 9 iron nuggets into 1 iron ingot, and then you'll have a 50% chance to get even more of it. So it's basically, you can say, it triples, almost triples your ore value. So yeah, that's very good. And of course I will automate this later, not now, because I haven't thought of a way to automate yet. Unfortunately. And basically just wait a bit, and then there we go. Wow, that's a lot. And then I can just put it back here and collect the rest of it. And then I'm just going to do back and forth. Of course, I will like the drawers for every type of metal better later on, because it's honestly a pain to collect it all by myself like this. But as you can see, I basically put, I think, around a stack of the crushed gold, and then I got, you can see, I got around 50% more back. So yeah, that's about the ratio of it, which is quite wonderful. So let's get the rest of it. That's the rest of it. And there we go. And now we got 6 stacks of iron, which is quite wonderful. We really do like to see that. So let's see. Oh yeah, we are changing them into plates, which is done. And now I need them to change into wires, because we will need them to turn it into this. I'll just get all of them for now. And I need iron, because I need the kinetic dynamo, but I need the copper block first. And 3 iron and 2 redstone. 3 iron. Sometimes I do forget that I'm placing the iron right there. So there we go, we got that. And then we need insulated LV wire coils. The reason why it's insulated is because if we don't make the insulated one, we will take damage. You can see here, so that's not good. Use bone meal on grass and break tall grass. Wait, how do I get grass? Okay, that isn't a problem. Dirt, bone meal, and weeds. Okay, and I'll get 9 of it. Bone meal and wheat seeds. Let me turn it back on. You and 9 of you. And an orb, you should be fine. Good. So while that is running, let's see the other things. We require terracotta, that means we need clay. And I do have clay handy. Good. Yeah, I don't know if this is enough though. It should be, right? This requires 4 and this requires 2, yeah, it should be enough. And the insulated wire coils, basically I need the coils and tough fabric, and that requires industrial hemp fiber, which comes from hemp seeds. So I should get some bone meal. Is there a better way to get bone meal though? Bone meal. Hey. Smelting? No. Neither is that. Not really. Oh, okay. I can use it for the crusher. But I don't think we really need that though. I'll just get this much for now. And it's almost done. Where should I put the grassland? I think I'll just put it behind here. Why not? So where's my hammer? Punch a hole through the freaking wall. There we go. And here. Wow, we're almost out of space for the ores ready. That is done. Oh, it's a quest again. We're in the tiger biome, right? Yeah. Let me get some hemp seeds then. If I'm lucky, I should get some. I got some, and I broke a piece of dirt, right? Where did the dirt go? Ah, I think it went here. Right, yes it did. Well, we can just leave it here, and I will break this potato plant into hemp seeds and plant them. Oh, that's the wrong one. At least I don't need to wait for them to grow it by itself. So that's good more, I guess. So that should be enough. Hemp seeds. Nah, we'll just... I think I'll put it here for now. Same with the flowers, but not the seeds. So let's see. I think I should have everything right. Let's get some more sticks. And let's see. I need to save the recipe first. For you, you, and you. So, oh yeah. My terracotta and some copper to get LV wire connectors, LV wire relays, and of course, finally, this little thing, which requires top fabric, which, good, we have enough to make 4 of them, which will be enough for the very short time. Or give us some more. Good, we can make even more of it. So let me make more of it for now. That should be enough. And let's see. Now, yeah, wait. Now we can make the water wheel. You can attach up to 3 water wheels to a connected animal. Make water flow all around it to make the most out of it. If it's not generating power, break and place water wheel again. Okay. It requires steel and water wheel segment, which will require treated wood planks and treated sticks. So it also means that I need some more wood, and I already forgot how to get that. Oh yeah, I remember now. Remember. It's basically you throw it out in the world and wait 30 seconds. Right? Yeah, I think I'm right. Let me leave you back and get some more treated wood because it's so not enough for the amount we need. I think it requires over a stack of treated wood planks to make the stuff we need. Oh, is that good? There we go. So it's a damn good thing that I did keep all my liquids here. So where's my treated wood planks? Is it here? Yes, it is. So let's see if we want to have at least 3 of them because it can produce the maximum amount of power. So we need 12 of these things. So if we want 12 of these, let's see, we need 36 planks. 36, right? And then change it all into this thing. And then, well, we are 1 stick short. That's a shame. But no matter, we can get it quite easily. And there's the 12th one. And we can make 3 of them. Wonderful. Oh, it gave me a thermal electric generator and a charging station. Nice. Very nice. And then you can see we can make a lot of different machines. But the one machines I really want to get is the arc furnace, so I will just go through this quest line. So first things first, we need a squeezer to make the hot graphite ingot that we need. So we need steel scaffolding, and honestly, I don't know if we have enough steel to do all of this. So before anything, I will put my water wheel here. Wait, is it because something is blocking the way? Oh my god, that scared me a bit. Wait, is this large in the first place? I don't think the design is like this, right? At least from my memory, it's not this large. Cool, I guess. So let me take up space for you for now. From the looks of it, you're quite large, right? How big is it? Seems like it's 5 times 5, eh? Okay. So I just take this 2 blocks deep for the water. That should be fine. 1, 2, 3. And now I will need blocks. This will be where the power is generating from. Ooh, the texture looks a lot different as well. Is that the right direction though? Let's see if I put this here. And I think that's the opposite direction of what I want, right? Here. Good, that's the correct direction. You here, connect the dynamo, and power goes out here. And basically, what we can do is to get this thing, this transfer power, and then it can transfer elsewhere to our machines. And maybe I should knock down this wall a bit more, but we will deal with that later. At least what I would like to do now is to get this running. Is there another light source here again? I need to cover this up for a bit because I don't want the water to spill out, and that would be terrible. And I need a bucket of water, by the way. So where's my bucket? Here. And let's see. If I remember correctly, it should be something like this, right? It seems to work just a little bit, right? What's the best direction for this? This one? If I remember correctly, it shouldn't be like this. There should be something blocking this. And if I place water here... Oh wait, it should be the opposite direction. Not this one. It should be here. Ow. Or maybe I need more water. I'll just get one more bucket. Just let me make a very, very temporary water source here for now. Yeah, this should be working, but it's not working quite well. Did I build this incorrectly? Let's see. Water. Which one? Power generation. Base of the water influence speed around it for the ultimate result. We can want to direct in the semicircle from the top down one side and along the bottom. Yeah, this should be right. This should be correct. But it's not spinning very quickly though. Let me stop all the water first. That isn't the right thing. And you then. Hey, that's the opposite direction of what I want. So let me remove both of you for now, and let's see how does this work. Why do I feel like it's turning a lot more slower? Shouldn't this be the way to go? And let me fix some stuff. Because if my memory serves correctly, there should be some blocks here. And if I place a block here, it doesn't work anymore. How about if I do this? Does it? This is very weird, I have to say. Very, very weird. Well, I think I'll just stick with the original setup for now. As long as I have power, then it will be fine for now. So let me place the original ones back. And of course I can't place it now. There we go. Place down the water source back. 1, 2, 3. How about this? Seems to have been completely stopped. That isn't what I want. Oh, okay, that stops it. Well, this should work for now, right? I think I'll fix that off camera though. But at least now it's turning. Well, not very quickly though. But it should be working as intended to be. So, let's see. Right. Unless this is in the wrong direction as well. I'm not sure. I think the best way to test that is maybe to get a relay somewhere and get here. It's obstructed. Okay, I can remove you for now. How about you now? Okay, it works. Looks cool. But I can't really see any power though. But does work properly, and I have a charging station as well to test some theories. If I put this here and put the line here to here, will I take damage? I didn't take damage. That means it's not working properly. Unfortunate. Yeah, I think I need to fix this off camera. I don't know what is wrong with it. I did this so many times in the past, and this does work, but maybe it's the newer version and stuff, so something is not working properly. So I will fix that off camera. But at least now we got, like, I would say the basics. Yeah, the basics, except it's not generating power. And this, the later stuff, I will do that like next episode, because I realized that I will need even more steel. Well, the steel scaffolding actually doesn't require that much steel, but it requires a lot of iron. Even though I have 6 stars of iron, but if we go to like the later ones, for example, like the Crusher, it requires 8 steel fences, and that requires even more of it. And of course, finally, the arc furnace requires a very ridiculous amount of it. And yeah, just from this, it requires 27 plates, steel plates, and then heavy engineering blocks, blah de blah de blah, you know. So yeah, I will hold off that for a bit, but I will at least want to get the very start of this thing off and going. So compressed steel, it shouldn't be too hard, right? Let me put all the things away. You. What else? Yeah, I think I can put it away here. Same with the book. And you, oh yeah, you can produce power as well with lava and stuff, right? I guess I can put you here for now. Just for now. So, not you. I'll just put you here. Here. Maybe not there. Here. This thing. And here. And I'll just get a bucket of lava very quickly from here. Board it for the time being. And if I put this here, this should generate power, if I remember that correctly. Yes, it is. Wonderful. So at least this is not working, but this is working, so that's good and all. So let's see. Oh yeah, some more things. The same as well. And let's start on the next one. So for starters, I'll get a stack of iron, and I think that's how I make a TNT, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And a TNT. And of course, I always get something wrong. Oh, it's going into this tank. No, of course it does. Yeah, that should do it. And I will need a lever. And also a place to explode this damn thing. So I guess I can choose to explode right in the middle of this thing, right? I need to evacuate this area later on anyways. So where's it? My TNT, the lever, my iron, without this. Bye. And kaboom! Here's my iron, and here goes the explosion. Teehee. That really isn't a very large explosion though. I expect it to be a lot more explosive. Forgive me for the puns. Let's see, now we got my compressed iron, or so I say the compressed iron, and then we can make these things. At least I would like to at least have a basic setup running. So we need the pressurized chamber wall, so we require stone, which we do have a bit laying around, so that's good. There we go. Reinforced stone. And with reinforced stone, we make bricks. And with the bricks, we can make chamber walls. And I guess a stack of it would be fine for now. And where should we build this thing? Well, I guess we can move it later on. But for now, I think I'll build it. Well, I guess I can move my bed. I guess I will build it right here for now. I would like to build a 5x5. Should I? Nah, I'll just build a 3x3. Just the smallest kind for now. But later on, we would like to build a bigger and better chamber. Nice source here and there. Oh yeah, I think I'm missing something, right? Yeah, I'm missing the chamber valve. And that requires pressure tubes. That require glass. Right. Glass. I'll get more of it. The valve. And I'll put one here and one here. 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 Actually, we only need one of them. So I'll put it... Wait, is that the opposite side? That should be it. And let's move my bed away for a bit. Here, I guess. And what else? Oh yeah, the chamber interface, which is a hopper. There's some iron. Oh, I have one extra. Okay, it's fine. I need that one extra one anyways. So let's see. Maybe I should not have built it so close to the freaking wall. Let me remove some of it. And I would like to build it here. And the valve will not the interface. The interface will go one here and one here. And that is the opposite of what I want. There you go. Input, output. Good. And I want the valve here. And then the rest is all this. Woohoo! There we go, complete. And now hopper goes here. And this is, well, the base is complete for the time being. And oh yeah, we got the chamber glass as well. This is quite useful. You can see the insides of this. For example, if I remove this and put the glass here, you can see the insides. And we also want the air compressor because we need to compress air into the machine, and I realized that I just used up all of my reinforced bricks, which I shouldn't have. I need more of it. There you go. I need a furnace as well. Well, I guess I'll make 2 air compressors for now. There we go. And then I need this thing. The tube goes here, along here, and 1 and 2. There you go. And of course we need fuel as well. So where's my coal? I guess half a stack of coal will be enough for now. 1 and 2. Basically, we put fuel in. As you can see, it's burning it, and then it will slowly but surely accumulate pressure here. You can see pressure going in, and of course, if the chamber is smaller, then the pressure will go up a lot quicker. And yeah, and because we would like to at least get this up and running for a bit, so I made the smallest one possible. Of course, you can make a much bigger one and better one, and then you can craft more stuff efficiently. But for now, this will have to do. for now. So yeah, you can see here, requires it. And then there's a lot more things before we can get the PCB and stuff. And this printed circuit board can be used, oh my god, it does make a lot of stuff, huh? Is there anything that we really do need? I don't really see anything that we really do need, but there's a lot of interesting stuff that we can do with pneumatic craft. One of the things I like the most is the drone. I really like this a lot. I think, yeah, I really like this thing a lot. And of course, you can do a lot more stuff with it. And I would like to at least get the start going and show you some of the process. For example, now if we want to make compressed iron ingots, basically what we need to do is to get iron in, and then we need to wait for it to have enough pressure. Export items. Okay, that is new. I didn't see that before. So if I put iron in, you can see iron goes in, and then here opens up, iron goes in, and then, well, you need to wait for the pressure to build up first. You can see on my top left hand corner, the max pressure of this chamber is 5, and then the pressure is slowly but surely going up. And you guys should know that if the pressure goes beyond 5, this whole thing will go boom. Yes, it will literally explode. I did that once before, previously when I played by myself, and it's terrible. Half of my base disappeared. So that is not a good thing to do, or a good idea anyway. So you would need some kind of control to control like the input and output of the compressors, and I think we have almost enough pressure to craft this, right? I think we need like 2 pressure. Let's see, 2. Oh yeah, you can see it. We crafted already, and then now all of them changed it, and then now it's outputted here. And of course we will need a chest for this, for the items crafted. We need a chest for it, and if we put one here, there we go. And that's basically what you can do with this pressure. And of course I think I would need a lever to switch you off for now, because I don't want it to explode on me suddenly. And basically this should let's see, enable on high signal. Same with you. And it turns off, right? How about now? It should turn off, right? Oh, it's turned off, okay. So what I want is low signal. And I think I should be fine. Yeah, but that is basically it. Like the starting of both immersive engineering and pneumatic craft, both are very interesting stuff. But I think if I need to progress further in this Modpack, I need to go through all of this stuff, because mainly we need to go to the end, and actually the recipe is very hard. It's quite simple actually. So yeah, next episode we will continue working towards all of the different multi-blocks, and maybe making more of it. And honestly, I think maybe we should start going for more power first and foremost, because I do know that the arc furnace consumes a ridiculous amount of energy, and maybe with this as well, liquids, huh? Yeah, we will see later on for the time being. But for now, thank you for watching, and if you enjoy, you can consider subscribing it, and goodbye. Bye!